Good morning, students. Let us move on to Chapter 2 National Income. The concept of national income is an indispensable preparation for tackling the great issues of unemployment, inflation, and growth. This is the quotation by Samuelson. Learning objectives of this topic is to understand the meaning of national income and some basic concepts of national income, and to know the methods of measuring national income. Introduction. National income provides a comprehensive measure of the economic activities of a nation. It denotes the country's purchasing power. Underline this, may be in 1 mark question. The growth of an economy is measured by the rate at which its real national income grows over time. National income thus serves as an instrument of economic planning. Further, national income is one of the most significant macroeconomic variables. Thus, a clear understanding of the meaning, concepts, measurement, and uses of national income is essential. Nobel laureate Simon Kuznets first introduced the concept of national income. This will be in 1 mark question, underline. Who introduced the concept of national income? Next, meaning of national income. In common parlance, national income means the total money value of all final goods and services produced in a country during a particular period of time, that is 1 year. Will be in 2 mark question. What is the meaning of national income, or what do you mean by national income? Market. Next, move on to definitions. Alfred Marshall defines national income as the labor and capital of a country acting on its natural resources produce annually a certain net aggregate of commodities, material and immaterial, including services of all kinds. This is the true net annual income or revenue of the country or national dividend. Next definition is the net output of the commodities and services flowing during the year from the country's productive system into the hands of the ultimate consumer or into net addition to the country's stock of capital goods. This definition is given by Simon Kuznets. Define national income is a book back 2 mark question, question number 21, mark it. You can write any one of this definition. GDP and its detractors. Detractor means a person who represents someone or something. The welfare of a nation can scarcely be inferred from a measurement of national income as defined by the GDP. Goals for more growth should specify of what and for what. Simon Kuznets is a creator of GDP in the year 1932. This will be in book inside 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark question. Mark it. Basic concepts of national income. The following are some of the concepts used in measuring national income: GDP, GNP, NNP, NNP at factor cost, personal income, disposable income, per capita income, real income, and GDP deflator. Let us see one by one. First, gross domestic product, is GDP. GDP is the total market value of final goods and services produced within the country during a year. This is calculated at market prices and is known as GDP at market price. The formula for calculating GDP is GDP by expenditure method at market prices is equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M, where C refers to consumption goods, I refers to investment goods, G refers to government purchases, X refers to exports, M is import, X minus M is net export, which can be positive or negative. Net domestic product, NDP. NDP is the value of net output of the economy during the year. Some of the country's capital equipment wears out or becomes outdated each year during the production process. Thus, net domestic product is equal to GDP minus depreciation. Next concept is gross national product, GNP. GNP is the total measure of the flow of final goods and services at market value resulting from current production in a country during a year, including net income from abroad. GNP includes 5 types of final goods and services. They are as follows. First one is value of final consumer goods and services produced in a year to satisfy the immediate wants of the people, which is referred to as consumption. It is C. Second one is gross private domestic investment in capital goods consisting of fixed capital formation, residential construction and inventories of finished and unfinished goods, which is called as gross investment, that is I. Goods and services produced or purchased by the government, which is denoted by G, and net exports of goods and services, that is the difference between value of export and import of goods and services, known as X minus M. Net factory incomes from abroad, which refers to the difference between factor incomes, that is wages, interest, profits received from abroad by normal resident of India, and factor incomes paid to the foreign residents for factor services rendered by them in the domestic territory in India. This R minus P. R refers to receipt, P refers to payment. Next is GNP at market price, means the gross value of final goods and services produced annually in a country plus net factor income from abroad. It is C plus I plus G plus X minus M plus R minus P. The formula for calculating GNP at market price is equal to GDP at market prices plus net factor income from abroad. This is a book back 2 mark question, question number 22 market. Next move on to net national product, NNP, at market price. Net national product refers to the value of the net output of the economy during the year. NNP is obtained by deducting the value of depreciation or replacement allowance of the capital assets from the GNP. It is expressed as NNP equal to GNP minus depreciation allowance. Depreciation is also called as capital consumption allowance. This will be in 1 mark question, underline. Next, NNP at factor cost. NNP refers to the market value of output, whereas NNP at factor cost is the total of income payment made to factors of production. Thus, from the money value of NNP at market price, we deduct the amount of indirect taxes and add subsidies to arrive at the net national income at factor cost. NNP at factor cost equal to NNP at market price minus indirect taxes plus subsidies. Next, personal income. Personal income is the total income received by the individuals of a country from all sources before payment of direct taxes in a year. Personal income is never equal to the national income because the former includes the transfer payments whereas they are not included in national income. Personal income is derived from national income by deducting undistributed corporate profit and employees' contributions to social security schemes and adding transfer payment. The formula for calculating personal income is equal to national income minus social security contribution and undistributed corporate profit plus transfer payments. Disposable income. Disposable income is also known as disposable personal income. It is the individual income after the payment of income tax. This is the amount available for households for consumption. This may be in 2 mark question. Mark it. Disposable income equal to personal income minus direct tax. The entire disposable income is not spent on consumption. So, disposable income is equal to consumption plus saving. Next, per capita income. This is a book back 2 mark, 3 mark question. Question number 28. Mark it. The average income of a person of a country in a particular year is called per capita income. Per capita income is obtained by dividing national income by population. Per capita income is equal to national income divided by population. This will be in 2 mark question. Write the formula for per capita income. So, mark it. Real income. National income is national income expressed in terms of a general price level of a particular year. In other words, real income is the buying power of nominal income. National income is the final value of goods and services produced and expressed in terms of money at current prices, but it does not indicate the real state of the economy. The real income is derived as follows. National income at constant price equal to national income at current price plus P1 divided by PO. P1 refers to price index during current year. PO refers to price index during base year. Next, GDP deflator. Deflator means is the value that allows data to be measured over time. GDP deflator is an index of price changes of goods and services included in GDP. It is a price index which is calculated by dividing the nominal GDP in a given year by the real GDP for the same year and multiplying it by 100. The formula for calculating GDP deflator is GDP deflator is equal to nominal GDP divided by real GDP multiplied by 100. I hope you all understand about the meaning, definitions and concepts of national income. Thank you.